Alright, welcome to my tutorial on how to put in an opt-in form into your squeeze page. Here's a simple squeeze page with the opt-in form. So I'm going to teach you how to get this going. You're going to need a few tools. You need a free HTML editor, some squeeze page templates, and either WinZip or WinAce to open the squeeze page templates. Here are the links. You can pause the video now and get all these tools. And once you get them, just hit play. Okay, I'll keep going. So in order to get this opt-in form, you're going to need an autoresponder service, and the one I recommend is AWeber. It's one of the best out there. You can try another services out there like GetResponse, but this is the one I use. And I'm going to create a new list, so hit create a new list. I'm going fast because YouTube puts a limit on the minutes that I can play it, like 10 minutes. So list name, I'll just put AIT, boom. Description, test. Oh, it's already in use. Well, how about 4? That's also in use. Boy, oh boy. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2. There you go. Boom. That's available. Company name, test. Website URL, HTTP. I'm actually using one hand to type all this because I'm holding my microphone with the other. I'm going to put in the URL of my cheesy title website, recessiondynamite.com. Save list settings. Alright, that's updated. Now, here at the bottom you can see a setup wizard. I recommend you use this for the sake of simplicity. And I'm going to click next because I want to get to the opt-in form code. So hit next. Click next. Create a welcome email. Click next. Create a web form. That's what we want. So I'm gonna hit do this step. Okay, well it takes me to the customize your confirm message. I'm just gonna keep the one that they have, the standard confirm message. Just save it. Success. Changes have been. So again, create a web form, do this step. Let's see if we can finally get there. There you go. Form details. So click. I'm gonna type next. Test. Sorry. Test. Here's the thank you page. The thank you page is the page the subscriber is taken to right after subscribing. This is the default one. You can put your own, customize your own thank you page. I'm gonna copy that URL and put it in the already subscribed page. And click next. So here's the design form. Here's the form with the name and email. You can add a new field, but for the sake of simplicity for this tutorial, just click save. And we should be getting, there you go. What we're interested in is the get HTML. So hit that, click that once, and you have two choices: either a JavaScript snippet, which is kind of easy to get, and a raw HTML, which is totally hardcore and super difficult. So all you have to do is just click once and it selects it all, and hit Control C to copy the code. So you already have the code and you have already copied it to your clipboard. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Kompozer, the HTML editor, and you want to open the squeeze page. Well, first of all, go to your squeeze.zip file. Okay, now this file has 5 files compressed, and I recommend you extract tellman1.html. That's the one I'm going to use for this example. Tellman1.html. Just hit extract. I put it in my desktop. You can put it wherever you want. So now that I have extracted Tellman1, I'm going to click open in Kompozer and go for Tellman1. There you go, Tellman1.html. Open it up, and here's the squeeze page. And as you can see, there's no opt-in form. Here's where the opt-in form should go. Here where the just this exclamation mark, just click the cursor right next to it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna type 4 A's. So A. All right. Actually, just so that you can see it, I'm gonna capitalize them. A. Right, 4 capital A's. Now select them with your cursor. Select those 4 capital A's. And go down here to these 4 tabs: normal, HTML tag, source, and preview. Click the source tab. right? So when you click the source tab, it takes you right away to the 4 capital A's. And look what it says here. Paste your form code here. Well, this is where we're going to put it. So select the 4 A's and the paste form code. And just hit Control V because you have already copied the code to the clipboard. So just hit Control V, or just you can click edit paste, but Control V. Yep. There you go. Control V. So here's the AWeber form code. So click normal, and there you go. There's your form, right? I'm gonna actually see it in the browser. So click save. I'm gonna save the file. It's gonna save it. There you go. Now go to Mozilla or whichever browser you have. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna go into a new tab, and I'm gonna go file, open file, and here's Telman. Somewhere in my desktop is Telman 1.html. That's the file I want to see. So I hit it open. Here's the squeeze page, and boom, there you have it. Name and email. That's the opt-in form right there with your own autoresponder service behind it, right? So it's as simple as that. Just get an autoresponder, get the HTML code as I've shown you, put it into your website with an HTML editor, and you're set. You're set to get subscribers into your page. I hope this has helped you in some way. Put some comments below, and I will see you in the next future video. Bye.